The second reaction in which phenol is going to break its carbon oxygen bond like this will be this reaction of phenol with zinc. Let's check what that reaction is. Up to 12th level trick I will provide, and for JEE NEET mechanism. Let's check what that reaction is. Very simple reaction. This is phenol, zinc, and obviously we need a heat. We will heat it and benzene will generate. Side product will be zinc oxide. A white color substance will generate there. Benzene is a colorless liquid. Phenol will be colorless. Zinc will be in the solid form, silvery white it is. On heating, this reaction will happen. Now up to 12th level, very easy to understand that reaction. And even on JEE and NEET level, very easy mechanism it have. Zinc, we know, this is a trick I am providing to 12th class. Zinc, we know that zinc can release 2 electrons. It's a metal. Metal always lose electrons during reaction. And we know about zinc. Zinc valency is +2. Means it is always ready to lose 2 electrons. And itself it will turns to Zn+2. Now the electrons are negative particle. They will go for a positive particle. Where we have positive particles, hydrogen is a positive particle here because hydrogen is connected with oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. And carbon is a positive particle because also carbon is less electronegative than oxygen. Electrons are toward oxygen side like this. That's it. Simply 1 electron you can transfer to this carbon. Equal transfer of electron. Equal distribution of electron. 1 electron to this hydrogen. Bond will break between them like this. And 1 electron to this carbon will make carbon free radical. 1 electron to this hydrogen will make hydrogen free radical. And oxygen you can check with 2 extra electron it will release out. 1 electron from carbon side and 1 electron from hydrogen side. So it will release out like this, which we call -2 oxide. That oxide will be balanced by zinc positive, zinc +2, O -2, ZnO will generate. And here hydrogen has lost 1 electron, will become H positive, but at the same time it will get 1 electron, so it will become hydrogen free radical. Carbon has lost 1 electron, it will become carbocation, but at the same time it got 1 electron, so it will become carbon free radical. Carbon free radical and hydrogen free radical are going to combine to produce benzene. Actually 75% mechanism I have already discussed. So this is the way in which you can learn this reaction. Very simple reaction it is. Now let's go for actual mechanism. Up to 12th level, the 12th students can learn this reaction like this. Very easy way. Mechanism is almost same. Only a little bit difference is there, like when we will heat phenol, firstly the phenol is going to lose this H positive. Bond between oxygen and hydrogen will break. And obviously electrons will shift toward oxygen because oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, and hydrogen with a vacant orbital and a positive charge will release out. Now this H positive will get electron from zinc. Zinc will firstly lose 1 electron. That 1 electron will go to this H positive electrophile. Obviously it's electrophile, it have a shortage of electron, due to which it will become hydrogen free radical. Hydrogen free radical. This is the initial stage of the reaction. Now what will happen? I am going to rub this first step. Phenol will turns to phenoxide with a release of H positive, and this H positive will become hydrogen free radical by the gain of one electron from zinc. Now the third step, you know zinc is ready to lose 2 electrons. After loss of 2 electrons, it is getting its stable valency. Zinc plus 1 will lose 1 more electron, will become Zn plus 2. And that second electron, hydrogen free radical is generated. That second electron here, oxygen already carrying a negative charge. Now actually this electron is attracted by oxygen. No doubt oxygen is carrying negative charge, but it is still more electronegative than this carbon. So what will happen? This electron will go toward oxygen side due to its higher electronegativity as compared to carbon. So obviously electron, this oxygen have maximum 4 orbitals around it. This is first orbital, second orbital, third orbital, and in fourth orbital you can check. In one orbital maximum 2 electrons can exist. So this electron of its own and this extra electron from zinc will enter in this orbital and bond will break like this. Due to which oxygen with 4 pairs and -2 charge will release out. Already it was carrying -1 charge because it has got electron from hydrogen, and the second electron it will get from zinc. 2 electrons are extra there, so it will become O-2. This oxide O-2 will be easily balanced by Zn plus 2. Zinc oxide ionic compound will generate, and here you can check when oxygen and carbon bond will break, homolytic fission is happening. Homolytic means 1 electron to this oxygen, 1 electron to this carbon. This carbon will turns to carbon free radical. Unpaired electron will be there on this carbon. This carbon free radical and this hydrogen free radical, they are going to combine. And finally what we will have? Benzene with us. Covalent bond will generate, and already here we have hydrogens. No need to tell. The total 6 hydrogens will be there. 6 carbon, 6 hydrogen, C6H6 benzene will generate with the release of zinc oxide. This is the mechanism for JEE and NEET. That's it. These are the 2 reactions in which phenol is breaking bond between carbon and oxygen. The first reaction was reaction of phenol with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, and this is the second reaction, phenol reacting with zinc. In next videos, we will go for electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol, final chemical reactions of phenol. Thank you very much for watching the video and keep on working hard.